Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the pseudo class of CSS. So first I'm taking this p tags and I'm gonna style it here. I'm just taking the p tag and colon and typing nth child and giving 1 and making this background style. Background orange. The first p tag is colored. If I make it second, the second p tag will colored. If I make it third, the third one will colored orange. I can just make it first child, p first child. It will color the first line of p tag. First child, the first line is colored. So this is the pseudo class of CSS. We'll continue in our next video. Thank you.